यो हजुरको सामान मेरो सामानमा पनि चाहिन्छ चक्लेट
छोराको वर्तमान चाहिँ राम्रोसँग सुसम्पन्न गर्नलाई चुले निम्तुकमले यही गर्ने रे है
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद मेरो कठै मेरो आएन फुटाउनु हुँदैन मेरो नातिलाई त मैले पो ढोग्नु पर्छ
कार्यक्रम भइरहेको छ अनि हामी कन्याहरू अनि बटुकलाई हल्दी लाउने बेलामा प्रयोग गरिन्छ यसलाई बुकुवा भनिन्छ यो लाएर चाहिँ बच्चालाई नुहाइधुवाइ गरिन्छ यो लायो भने चाहिँ बच्चा गोरो हुन्छ बटुक गोरो हुन्छ त्यही भएर लगाइन्छ यो धन्यवाद photo session भइरहेको छ and everybody is here अनि we are clicking photos अनि we are enjoying the moment and अब हामी एकछिनमा हाम्रो प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट गर्छौँ What's up? Sorna, are you excited? No!
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever. Call me out if you think I'm never sleeping.
We created a lot of memories, we captured a lot of memories and also Sorna yes went to take a bath and Sorna la हामी wait गरिरहेको छ and Sorna नुहाएर आउँछ it'll be
Time is on our side. I'll never forget. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go.
कस्तो लाग्यो बेबी आज एक्सपिरियन्स कस्तो थियो
धेरै राम्रो थियो
मजा आयो
So friends, आजको लागि यति look at our Mendi and it's officially our haldi program is done successfully. अनि अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो program पनि it's finished. अनि everyone is in their house अनि program fully सकिसक्यो. So अब चाहिँ we'll go to our house अनि भोलि बिहान we have to come here for the Bertaman and I'm really so excited. यो भिडियोमा सकेसम्म चाँडो हाल्ने ट्राई गर्छु and I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.